The GO100 campaign kicked off in October 2023 with the aim of connecting with 100 new individuals to share Atomy. Our focus of the campaign is not to persuade them to join Atomy, but rather to share Atomy. This initiative involves not only Atomy members, but also Atomy Canada staff, strengthening our bonds. The campaign has been conducted throughout Canada. A lot of Atomians have actively participated in this campaign. Before hitting the streets, we prepared 100 brochures, along with Atomy products such as Probiotics 10+, and Ethereal Oil Patch, business cards, and surveys. In addition, Atomy Canada leaders played a vital role in boosting motivation for the GO100 campaign.
We are not pushing anything. We are here to share Atomy.
With the preparations complete and him time, it's time to go.
GO100!
When interacting with someone they've never met, some Atomians seemed nervous.
No, I'm nervous. It's something out of my comfort zone.
On the other hand, some Atomians looked excited.
So excited.
The campaign took place in various locations. On streets, around stations, around bus stops, around commercial areas, and even in shops. It never all works out. We have experienced a lot of rejections. However, we met a lot of new people who got interested in Atomy.
I talked to bus drivers and I gave them paint patches.
Some of them, they know about Atomy, so they even place orders.
We sign one member when we do the first visiting. Our members are so excited.
This opportunity provided valuable learning experiences for Atomy Canada members.
I felt like this really brought me out of my comfort zone because we're talking to people that we've never met before, right?
We do have to go out there and just talk to everyone, doesn't matter, and that's what we did.
And Atomy Canada stuff as well.
Well, it is an amazing experience to share this culture and to go with the members and meet other Atomians.
I'm honestly so happy to be here and to be able to get to know more and more members of Atomy Canada.
Additionally, it strengthened the bonds between the company and its members, creating exciting moments together.
Hi, I'm so happy here to share Atomy to more people.
Amazingly, we had so much fun. It was a lot of fun.
All of members are happy.
The GO100 campaign is indeed a golden opportunity, offering not only the chance to share Atomy, but also an opportunity for all Atomians to learn from new experiences. Let's continue sharing Atomy with more and more people together.
Yes!
So let's go 100!
GO100 campaign! Go100!